Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Herbaland Pre Workout Gummies. This is really cool because I like gummies, I like pre-workout, and this is combining two things that I love. So each pouch of these contains 500 milligrams of beta-alanine, 500 milligrams of L-citrulline, 35 milligrams of niacin, 336 milligrams of L-leucine, one of the BCAAs, 168 milligrams of L-valine and L-isoleucine, so it's got a 2-to-1 ratio of the BCAAs. And there's 100 milligrams of caffeine. And I don't think I've ever really ate this much caffeine in one sitting before, so that's kind of cool. I drink lots of caffeine, but it's not very much foods that have a lot of caffeine in. And 50 grams of this, so a whole pouch, there's 70 calories, 38 grams of carbohydrates, 1 fiber, 1 sugar, and 36 sugar alcohols. Whoa. Never seen anything with that many before. It's interesting. So we're in a cool and dry spot. Fitness gummies. So these are sour blue raspberry flavor, so that's kind of cool. I like sour gummies. And it supports athletic performance, promotes energy production for both strength and endurance, and source of BCAAs aiding muscle tissue formation. Don't think the under a gram of BCAA is going to help that much, but every little bit helps, I guess. So rip into these here. Ooh, these are cool little gummies. I've never seen gummies like this from them before. Slightly different texture than their other gummies. They're slightly sour. They look and kind of taste like Swedish berries. If the Swedish berries were maybe like a blue flavor. They're actually good. I like these. Tastes like candy. I think they're sour from the citrulline malate. That would make sense. Very cool. The texture in these are better than their other gummies that I've had from them. It's made in Canada too, which is big ups for me. I like that. Wow. Pre-workout gummies by Herbaland. I'm genuinely impressed by these. They taste good. They have some ingredients that are very useful, so that's cool. The texture of these are really nice. They're vegan as well. Natural ingredients, no GMOs, and gluten-free. So a wide variety of people can have these. Super cool. It does contain caffeine though, so if you are sensitive to caffeine, you might want to be cautious before taking something like this, but overall, I'm impressed. I would give the pre-workout gummies by Herbaland an 8.5 out of 10. These are some pretty good tasting gummies. If they weren't pre-workout gummies, I would probably still eat something like this because they taste good. And the texture's right. Love it. These little things are real cool. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.